Aero India 2023, which is happening in Bengaluru like every second year, is showcasing several new innovations, and right now one of the important innovations that we are seeing here is by the Army Design Bureau. We have with us Captain Raj Prasad, who has created something really new and exciting. What is that? Let's get to know from him. Captain Raj Prasad, we can see some generators here. If you could tell us what exactly is this and what is the use?
So this system is called the Vidyut Rakshak. It is an IoT-based generator monitoring, protection and control system. As you all know, generators form the backbone of the power system network of Indian Army. So when the main power grid falls out, we rely on generators. As far as the Indian Army is concerned, today all the LC formations, all the intelligence system, ISR network, the surveillance grid, all of these are backed by generators. So today all these generators are manually operated by combatants. So this system is designed to obviate the manual requirement. So ideally one of these Vidyut Rakshak system will be integrated with every generator, and from a single node we'll be able to monitor, control and protect multiple generators. So this is going to obviate the human requirements, the manual interventions that's required dedicatedly. That's the advantage of the system.
So you are saying of a crisis or a war or any attack sort of a situation, the first thing to be attacked is the power of the country or of the space. And these generators will not have to be now operated manually by people and get them busy. Instead, through this one setup, the entire country's generators can be manned. Is that true?
Yeah. Ideally, from a single node, irrespective of the type, make and rating of a generator, we can integrate into a single dashboard. That's the biggest advantage of this system. The generator can be of any type, any make, any rating, and from any longer ranges. A generator from Leh Ladakh can be controlled from Udhampur. So that's the advantage of the system. As you can see here, so this is the initial dashboard where we have integrated presently 5 generators. If you see generator number 11, I can turn on, turn off, control from a remote system. I can know the generator status, running hours, service due date, all the information, basic parameters of the generator, which is very vital. The fuel status, temperature, oil temperature, coolant temperature, and this is such a user-friendly GUI. Any soldier can actually operate this at ease. He can understand the status of the generator from a remote location. So that's the advantage of the system.
Right, well, so what this Vidyut Rakshak here will actually do is not only save man hours, it will save a lot of time in the situation where an attack might happen on the power grid. When the power grids fail, these generators can be operated from anywhere across the country to anywhere across the country without any combatant actually manually operating them. This is Palak Sharma for India Sentinels in Bengaluru.